Greetings folks, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today we're going to unbox a Miele C1 with the 228 power head, which means this does wall-to-wall carpet and hard floors, but is their classic C1 size, which means this has a 19-foot cord. So if you have a bigger house, you might take a look at a C3, but if you have an apartment, a condo, this might be the machine for you. And of course, if you're looking to purchase one of these, I'll have a link in the description to find your local dealer and a link to find this on Amazon. All right, we're greeted with how to take it out of the box right there, what kind of bags it takes, a little advertisement for shopmiele.com. And right away, we're greeted with this SEB 228 nozzle, also known as an EBK 360, which is made custom for Miele by This'll Work, as it's branded right there. So you'll see that this part is actually not made in Germany, it's actually made in Poland, which is where all of these style of nozzles are being made. And if you're unaware, this is a premium nozzle, often found on central vacuums as well. We have the manual for it. This basically states the warranty and how to use the carpet height adjustment. There's no belt or anything like that to change in this nozzle, so you don't have to worry about that. And we have a box within a box. We have all the tools already assembled on the tool holder. We have a very basic hard floor tool. Now this is cool. The Cat and Dog comes with a handheld turbo brush for doing your stairs and your upholstery. Excellent turbo brush. Really nice that it comes with this. You have your wand. Comes with a charcoal filter, which is in the box but not installed in the machine. The machine manual, and the hose. The hose only has controls for turning the brush off to go to hard floor or carpet. That's all this switch does. The other curious thing about this, because this is one of their more entry-level machines, it has a pigtail which you have to plug in to supply power to that electric power head. Then the machine itself comes in a nice plastic bag in a nice Lotus white with one vacuum bag installed. And every time you open this compartment, you must reseat the bag, like so. As I said, the charcoal filter is not installed. If you wish to install it, you can do so really easily by pulling this plastic grill completely out. You'll remove the pad filter and you'll insert that as well. And then you want to change that about once a year or so. Wow, that's everything that comes in the box. It certainly comes with a lot of accessories. Now, for those who are new on the channel, I've been doing this for a while, and this machine, the first time I saw it in this configuration was called the Atlantis S2, and that was over a decade ago, and it didn't come with nearly this many accessories. So it's really nice to see this machine come with all this stuff and be a little bit less than it used to be, believe it or not. Going from left to right with the machine, we have the turbo tool, stair cleaning tool, your dusting brush, upholstery, and crevice tool, your hard floor tool, your carpet nozzle, your 3 manuals, your filter grill if you do not want to use the included charcoal filter, a telescoping wand, and a hose. So let's go ahead and assemble this machine. It's actually really easy. There's nowhere to store this on the machine. First thing you want to do is plug the hose into the machine, like so. And it will be really stiff. All this stuff is going to be tremendously stiff at first. And then this gets plugged into this little electrical plug right here. And that's very important. If you do not plug that electrical plug in, it's not going to clean properly. Attachments go right there. Your nozzle just clips in right there. And then on the back here, you have your telescoping button, which does both directions of the telescoping. As far as controls go, you have your cord rewind button here, your on-off button here, your minimum, maximum suction. So you can actually turn the suction up or down on the machine. Just like so. You have your full bag check indicator right here. And then right here, you have your carpet height selector. And this is a very important feature of this machine. You actually tune it to your carpet height, which makes a big difference in how the machine picks up. You have your release right here. And then there's a release here for your wand, like so. And yes, you can directly connect this if for some reason you wanted to do that. Also, there's parking on the machine for your hard floor tool, both in the rear and on the back side of the machine as well. So it will store compactly in your closet. So this is not Miele's typical hard floor tool that we see on their premium models. While it does swivel nicely, as you can see, you have to hold it at the right angle. So that means adjusting the wand to your height is important to using this tool. If you hold it wrong, it's gonna basically bottom out and not make a seal with the floor. And again, this is a very old style floor tool. It's been around longer than I can name, at least 30 years. And there's nothing wrong with it, but you have to be conscious of that nuance, unlike their parquet twister and some of their other floor tools. These soft wheels on it will keep it from scratching the floor, and there's a gap for edge cleaning on this. The parquet twister might be a worthwhile upgrade if you do get one of these and have a lot of hard floor, as it doesn't bottom out, adjusts at any angle, and swivels so nicely. The cord reel is not one touch like the C3, so you will have to hold the button, and when you release the button, it will stop retracting. All 19 feet of the cord. Let's see how much suction this C1 gets. This machine gets 80 inches of sealed vacuum, a mile above sea level, and gets 51 inches of working vacuum, which are excellent numbers and exactly the same as their higher end models like the C3. We've switched to a studio microphone, so you're going to hear how quiet or how loud this Miele is. So let's turn it on. That's pretty quiet. Let's now hear it with the power head. It's relatively pleasant and low tone. You could have a conversation going in the background. Let's see how it picks up with some breakfast cereal on this high pile carpet. Stay tuned for my full review where I'll do a full carpet pickup test. Now they give you this handheld turbine tool, and these are air driven. This one can be opened up and cleaned if necessary. Let's see how it does. Well, that made short work of that. Really, again, a nice touch that Miele includes that with the C1. Let's see how the C1 does on a little bit of pet hair on hard floor. Well, that handled that with ease. Hey folks, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. That helps us out a whole lot. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our videos, as the algorithm only has about 25% chance of propagating this into your feed. Comment below if you have a Miele C1 or S2000. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to talk about other vacuum related stuff, go check out the link in the description to the Discord server where we talk vacuum cleaners all day long. And of course, if you're looking to purchase one of these, I'll have a link in the description to find your local dealer and a link to find this on Amazon. Have yourself a fantastic day.